Hey everyone, welcome back. So today's video, we'll talk about how to play Tesla stock from now until 2025. I'm sure you probably have seen so many videos of Tesla going to 3,000, Tesla going to 4,000, Tesla going to 1,500 in a bear case, Cathie Wood, ARK Invest, all of that. But what does it mean for investors like you and me? What do we do with Tesla stock starting now until 2025? And so in this short video, I'll show you some steps that I will be taking. Of course, I'm not a stockbroker, I'm not a financial advisor, so please understand that this is what I'm doing with my money and with Tesla stock. Okay, so without any delay, let me share my screen. Let me show you the research that I have done. Now remember, I love ARK Invest, I love Cathie Wood, but we have to be realistic when we talk about stock and of course the overall market sentiment. So I went out and I basically did my research on what all the other analysts are saying and what is their bottom price target and the top price target in these years. This video is not only about ARK Invest price target or being super bullish or super bearish on Tesla. It is basically trading Tesla as an investor in the stock market. So let's look at how to trade Tesla from now, 2021 into 2025. So according to my research, I feel the Tesla price target is going to be between these numbers as we go on in 2021, 22, 23, 24, and 25. In 2021, by the time we end it, and of course I'm Tesla bull, I believe in the company, I believe in whatever they are doing, and I truly believe they will be the leader for years to come. They are way far ahead than anybody in EV space. Okay, so by the end of 2021, in my opinion, the stock price will be about 1,000 to 1,050, in between that. And now, of course, they can hit 1,000 next month, or they can hit 1,000 in December. That I have no idea about. Second, in 2022, I expect the stock price to be between 1087 to 1250, between that line, 23 between 1350 to 1450, 24 between 1450 to 1500, and in 2025 from 1500 to I don't know what. Because it all depends upon if Tesla delivers on the promises that they have made to everyone. Okay, so now we know that, okay, this is the price target that we are looking at approximately in the next 5 years. These price targets still heavily depend on few things. So what are those things? Okay, overall market sentiment. You can control that. If we have a second wave of virus out there, the market sentiment is going to be down. If we have some kind of a war with China or some kind of a trade issue with any other foreign country, you can control those market sentiments. So that's really, really important for us investors to think about that. Yes, Tesla can do everything right, but if the market sentiment changes, the stock price is going to reflect that. Number two, investor attitude. See, when we say FSD is coming out or robotaxis are coming out, we have to think about it. Sometimes these things are already built into the investor. So they are buying in the current prices, the heavy buying that most of the institutional investors are doing. They may have already had those things factored in that yes, Tesla will be releasing the FSD 9.0 or Tesla will be going with the robotaxis route. That all is factored in. Could not be for some investors, but could be for some investors. So we have to think about investor attitude as well. Economic and political temperature. What is the politics doing? How many more stimulus? What about the inflation? What about the infrastructure bill? There are so many things going on that also affects the stock price. Number four, Tesla's promise on FSD, Cybertruck, Semi, and Robotaxi. I think all of these points hold equal weight because investors are super bullish on this company because of these reasons. So I feel that Tesla's promise needs to come true on all of this. Timeline, investors may be a little flexible. Okay, Elon, you promised us this month, you're giving us 6 months from now. Absolutely fine, that's okay. We understand there is a wait time. We understand it's hard work, it's not a piece of cake, and we understand that you will deliver. It's fine, but they must deliver. That's the main thing. Okay. Fifth, Musk in check. I love the dude. He is amazing. You know, he's one of the most fun-loving CEOs we have out there. You know, and he's putting his cars in space and he's tweeting 420 and he's doing whatever he wants to do. That's also important. I remember that I was driving one day and huge part of my portfolio was Tesla. I was so happy because Tesla stock was so high and I had some options on it and you know, everything was looking great. All of a sudden, Musk tweeted, in my opinion, Tesla stock price is too high. That's it. That was the end of all our happiness here, investors. And we're like, oops, I was like, what did he tweet? And within seconds, the stock price just took a nosedive. We have to consider that part as well. Because stock could be 1100 in 2 months. And if Musk tweets right on December 29th, boom, the stock dives and stock ends at 800 and everybody's projection is out the window. So that's also important. So in my opinion, these 5 things will matter a lot of where we see Tesla 5 years from now. Now, how to trade Tesla in 2021 and beyond. Okay, this is the strategy that I'm applying on my portfolio. Keep buying the dips. Now, I don't like when somebody says, oh, I have the stock, I bought it for 50 bucks, my average price is 50 bucks. I'm not going to buy the stock because right now it's at 100, my average is gonna go up. So what? If your average is gonna go up, so will the stock price if you're bullish on that stock. My average price on Tesla is $87. It didn't stop me from buying. I bought Tesla at $11, at $40, at $50, at $60, all the way up to $750. I have bought Tesla at $750, $760, and my average has gone up every time I have bought Tesla. So, but I don't care about that, because at the end of the day, if I know this stock price is going to double, I don't care what my average is. I'm going to double the money that I'm spending today. That's what's important. Hold the stock and ignore the news. This is a big one. See, when we get negative news, this just stomach just, oh my God, somebody like punched us and we're like, okay, I'm selling. Don't do it. It's hard. It takes a lot of commitment. It takes a lot of effort not to do it. Please don't do it. Not with Tesla. Just ignore the news. If you see FSD accidents, if you see stock is plummeting, just ignore the news. Don't worry about it. We know one of the biggest disruptor of our generation is EV sector. So buy EV related stocks. I'm releasing a video where I'll show you the 5 stocks that I hold in the EV market, and I strongly recommend everyone to do their research and buy the stocks in EV space, because that's going to make you a lot of money. All right, number 4, buy heavy on major red days. See, I never buy when stock is so high. I play options those days, and I will show you the strategy of what I do with Tesla and options. But basically on major red days, I buy the pure stock. Because I feel that those are wonderful opportunities. In my last video, I basically talked about how when the FSD 9.0 or 2.0 or beta 2.0 comes out, how we can see the dip in the stock price, a temporary dip, buy heavy on those days. I'm gonna link the video here. So buy heavy on those days when the stock price is just going down for any reason. Number 5, if you're experienced, please remember this, if you're experienced, play options. Tesla options are the best options out there because Tesla stock is so volatile. Anytime a stock is volatile, options pay you very good money. I play options every week on Tesla to make a consistent income. So these are the 5 things I'm sticking by for my own portfolio, and that's how I'm playing Tesla. All right, so let's say if you were to spend $1,000 today in Tesla. This is really cool, and I wanted to bring that out for a reason, because some of you guys might be just starting right now. Some of you has already a lot of money in Tesla, but I wanted to, doesn't matter who you are. I want to show you, if you spend $1,000 today in Tesla, by the end of 2021, you might have $1,332 from today's price, okay? 2022, $1,875. In 2023, you are already doubling your money, okay? 2 years, you're already doubling your money, 1,000 to 21. Now in 2024, 2250. Okay, by 2024, it's going 2250, and by 2025, close to tripling your money. Which other company with conviction you can say that you can triple your money? Please let me know in the comments. I'll put my money there as well. Because I feel this company has such a huge potential in doubling and tripling your money that there is nothing out there that I would put my money in or my bet on. Of course, there are other stocks, but I don't expect to triple my money with them. I may double, I may get 20%, I may get 50%, which I'm happy about. But this is a company which I think you can triple your money. All right. Now, it's all good, but what are analysts saying in the market? I'm not talking about Cathie Wood. I'm talking about other Wall Street analysts, other big firms that they're saying. So this is the price target I'm giving you, and it's not bullish, it's not bearish. It's about 2027 analysts came together, and this is the average price target. So 1 year Tesla forecast from these guys is about $888.44 to be exact. And 5-year price target from these analysts is about $2,000, 1989.66. I feel that Tesla will be, of course, more than 888 by the end of the year. It's going to touch about $1,000 in my opinion. And 5-year price target anywhere 2,000 to about 2,250 in my opinion. So right close to where these guys are. And based on those targets, I have played Tesla and I have had some leap calls, which is basically calls for like 2 years from now on Tesla, because I believe that Tesla will cross that price target. I play regular options and call strategy that I have using $0 from my own, and I will share that with you guys. It's excellent strategy. I make consistent money on weekly basis using that. So there you have it, guys. This is everything that I think Tesla stock will do in the next 5 years. If you get anything out of the video, please hit that share, subscribe, comment in the sections. Love to talk to you guys about it. Until next time, you all have a wonderful day. Thank you.